place like Panchmahi Biosphere Reserve, you will find sal and teak trees standing tall, and animals like cheetah, bear, wild dogs, and leopards quietly moving through the trees. But hey, what happens when we disturb this harmony? What if these forests and all life within them vanish forever? In this video, we are going to explore how we protect our plants, forests, and animals. But first, let's start with the basics: flora and fauna. Flora simply means the plant life of an area, and fauna means the animals. And together, they make an ecosystem feel alive. Let's say in Panchmahi Biosphere Reserves, the flora includes sal tree, teak tree, wild mango, silver fern. And the fauna includes the nilgai, fox, cheetah, deer, and the Indian giant squirrel as well. But all of this depend on their natural habitat. That's their true natural home. Even something small as chasing a rabbit can throw off their peace. Animals are happy in their own space, and disturbing them can lead to stress and long term harm. If we walk deep into the forest, we may find some board like this. It says Indian giant squirrel and it's endemic to this area. What does this term endemic mean? Endemic species are plants or animals that are found only in one particular area. Pretty special, right? Yeah, they don't grow or live naturally anywhere else. The Panchmahi Biosphere Reserve has several endemic species. Let's take a look. This is the Panchmahi Biosphere Reserve flora and fauna that we just looked at. Now, if you look at the flora, endemic species, or among the flora we call endemic flora, includes the wild mango and sal tree. Whereas among the animals, the endemic fauna includes the Indian giant squirrel. But here is the thing: endemic species are in danger. Because if their habitat is destroyed through deforestation, pollution, or even introduction of non native species, they have nowhere else to go. And with the increasing human population and construction, with these endemic species even face more threats and may become endangered species. Which brings us to the next point: endangered species. Let me take you to Satpura Tiger Reserve. Okay, what is it? It's a Project Tiger the Indian government has launched to protect and rebuild tiger population. And guess what? It's working. It's working. Satpura has shown a significant increase in tiger population. But many other animals are still at risk. Animals whose population are shrinking rapidly are called endangered species. Now let's take a few of them. Now let's take a look at few of them. The pink duck, rhino, marsh crocodile, black buck, python, golden cat, and gharial are some examples of the endangered species. And you may ask, are only the big animals facing extinction or trouble? No, it's not just the big ones that are in danger of extinction. Small animals are often even more at risk than the bigger ones. For example, the snakes, the frogs, the lizard, the bats, and the owls are also considered endangered species, or they are in danger. And all of these creatures are a part of something bigger called ecosystem. An ecosystem includes the plants, animals, microorganisms, non-living components like climate, soil, air, water, and more. These endangered species, endemic species, these are all part of an ecosystem. And what is interesting is that everything is connected here. If you remove even one species, it can unbalance everything from crops to climate. So, a species getting extinct is not just harmful for the species, it hurts us too. So, what can you do then? You can plant trees, you can avoid plastic, you can speak up for the animals, learn more, and help others too. Because when we protect nature, we're actually protecting our own future.